If you're facing iPhone call failed dropping problem, this 5-minute solution will show you how to fix call failed issue on iPhone. So the first solution is open your phone app and open the keypad and type here *31# and dial this code, and then restart your iPhone and check the problem is fixed or not. And the second solution is inject your SIM tray and reinsert your SIM tray, and hope this will fix your problem. And the last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, iPhone storage, tap on transfer reset iPhone, reset, tap on reset all settings. Once done, restart your iPhone and hope this will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.